Hi, this is Pam with Eli Eden Creative. Today we're going to make this spread. I would just like to invite you to like and subscribe and ring the bell to my channel so that you don't miss out on any time with me. My goal is to have a quick time with you where you can catch up and grab some inspiration and enjoy some nice sounds and sights. So right here I'm just using a stamp to add a little bit of interest to this spread. I'm doing 2 pages today. And this is actually being stamped on a piece of vellum, you can see there. And I'm just setting it up there to dry a little bit. Just going through a little booklet of pages that I put together. These are actually pages that I coffee dyed and then I cut to size and then I made them into a little notepad thing. Just so that they're all together in uniform. And here's another one there. Nothing like choosing the very last one, right? Anyways, just using my glue tape and putting that into place. I put down the date on that piece of vellum, And now I am gluing that one into place with the glue tape. This is a piece of coffee dyed paper that I stamped with a couple different stamps. I really like, it looks like one of those sewing forms that you would use in dressmaking. I put down the word inspire today. Hopefully this inspires you. And I have another one of those coffee dyed pages with a stamp with a bird cage. At the top, it's hard to see, but I added a little, it looks like a little postcard with flowers. Oh, there's where I put that inspire at the top. This is like a stamp with a fancy old shoe. I thought it fit nicely with that sewing form. This little quote here that I put on here is actually from Jimmy Dean, and it says, "I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination." So we can always change ourselves, right? Adding a little bit of washi tape, and I wrote a little thing that I was sort of thankful for this day. I have a super cute little bunny guy and some more tape. Sorry, stickers. Made up, they're like a washi tape material. And just adding those to some different spots. I had done some more stamping. I want to thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.